skin prep is the key. If you want to achieve that spotless makeup, it's from the skin prep. Hi my love, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prep your skin before applying your makeup. This is what a lot of people don't know. See, skin prep is the key. If you want to achieve that spotless makeup, it's from the skin prep. And I'm tired of seeing khaki makeups everywhere. So today I'm about doing my makeup and I'm going to take you guys on the simple steps you can take to achieve that spotless look. So let's get into the video. So if you see me looking down, it means that I'm trying to pick up some things. And if you see me looking directly this way, I'm looking at the mirror. Okay? So bear with me. So the first thing I do is to cleanse my face with a micellar water. This is the particular brand I'm currently using. I've already washed my face with my facial wash. So another thing you have to do is to cleanse your face very well so that you will not have any form of dirt, right? So I've already washed my face, but I'm going to go in with this micellar water to cleanse excess dirt, okay? To know if I have excess dirt or not. I'm using this cotton wool. Like I said before, if you see me looking directly this way, I'm using my mirror, okay? So you cleanse your face, make sure you do it very well. Don't miss any part. And remember your milk as well. You can go in again. If you notice it's very, very dirty, you can go extra to what's it called? Double cleanse it. So I'm going in again with the micellar water to make sure my skin is clean because I don't want my makeup to be khaki. So I'm going to dry it up with my hand fan. Then the next thing I have to do is my toner. This is when you go in with your skincare prep. So I'm going to use this niacinamide serum for my face. Little go a long way. I'm actually out of this, so just a little. Because everything you do on your skin basically before going out, this should be, you should repeat the same procedure, like the same thing you do on your skin, right? Before heading out, like all your skincare prep. What am I saying? All your skincare prep, you should do it before applying your makeup. So I'm going to let this, and remember whenever you're applying things, always remember your neck so you don't have a darker neck as well. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes and I go in with my moisturizer. A little goes a long way because I still have my sunscreen gold coming in. Let your skin be moisturized, guys. If your skin is moisturized enough, it's going to help your makeup stay intact. Like moisturize your skin so much. And remember that you don't have to pack products under your eye. Like this your eye look. Don't pack things over there. So whenever you're putting your concealer there, it's not going to look khaki. This is for my neck. I'm using this face cream. This is for my face cream. As you guys can see, my skin is looking alive already compared to what it was looking like before I started. And this is it for my face cream. The next thing I have to use a sunscreen because I'm definitely going out. So I'm going to use my sunscreen on it. So let's apply my sunscreen. I think I'm gonna cut some part of this video so it looks so long. Be generous with your sunscreen, okay? Be generous, like really. Be really generous with it. No pity, and you know. I'm going to allow it sit for a few minutes, then I'll get back to you guys. At this point, my sunscreen is coming together. It's already coming together, so I just have to assist it to do the job, right? What you have to do is apply your primer, okay? Any form of primer you have, apply this. My primer is filled with products. But apply your primer. This is the point you have to apply your primer. Okay, so I'm not going to apply this primer. There's another one I have. You apply your primer on those areas that you always sweat, like your forehead, your 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 cheek, those places, and avoid applying your primer close to your eyes because you don't want your products to be jam packed to that place. Okay, and that's it for your skin prep. This is just you applying your skincare products on your skin before using your makeup. Can you guys see the way my skin is looking like? Can I? Can you see? Can you see? It's already looking so good, hydrated, and is well moisturized. Whenever I apply any foundation or anything on it, it's going to look so nice and very calm. Let me know if you want me to do a video on how I do my makeup, more like a makeup tutorial, okay? And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.